Hi there, it's Lana and Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations. We're in Bonnie's home.
We are, yes.
What room are we in, Bon?
So we're in the Bobsy twins room, which is my two middle children, Buster and Rowdy. They've always slept together. So we've knocked out the wall, they've got one big room, and they're about to have two amazing beds.
Wow. Okay, so this bed, where is it from?
So it's from IKEA. It's an IKEA bed. It was so simple to put together. This bed obviously is this colour now, but it's going to be green. So the first process obviously is sanding.
Yep.
Second is usually a primer, but we probably don't even need to do that here as well. We can just put two coats on.
We might skip that and just go straight to the Dulux Wash&Wear.
The fun stuff.
So what colour is this, Bon?
This is called Light Leaf.
Light Leaf, that's nice.
Doesn't it sound lovely?
It sounds beautiful.
Yeah.
So Bon, the beds have come up beautifully.
But I also loved it up against the white.
Yeah, I mean, this is the Dulux Wash&Wear in white on white.
White on white, yeah.
And I know you love that colour. And it's just beautiful with the green, the contrast. For more colour inspiration, head to the Dulux website.